This is Chris at Reactive Graphics, and today I'll show you how to add a new page to your WordPress menu. So first, you'll want to log into your website. So go to your domain, so for me it's reactivegraphics.co.uk, and to log in I want to add /wp-admin. Now you want to put your username in and your password and press the blue login button. So, this is the dashboard. First, you want to add a page, so go to Pages, Add New. So you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Menu Page. Add some text here. This is a Reactive Graphics menu page. Okay. Then press the blue Publish button when you're ready. Now that that's done, you want to add this to your menu. So go to Appearance, Menus, and here we are. So you'll want to select a menu to edit. So for us it's the top navigation menu. That's the one you'll see under your logo. And we called it Main Menu, but you can call it whatever you want. And underneath you see the menu structure. And here are a few of the pages we have at Reactive Graphics. And on the left, the most recent, View All. As you can see, we have quite a few. And then you can search. So that's what we're going to do to find it quickly. So I'll just type in Menu. And there it is. Tick it, Add to Menu, and it appears at the bottom here. Of course, you can always move it around. So if I move it up there, it'll appear earlier in the menu. Or we can make it a subheading, a submenu, by moving it underneath here. But I'm happy putting it next to Contact. Make sure this area here is ticked, top navigation menu, and then Save. Now, to make sure that's worked, let's go up and check the website. So visit site in the top left here of the dashboard. Click on that. And there it is at the top, menu page, right next to Contact. Press on that. This is a Reactive Graphics menu page. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. If you can think of any other videos, do let me know. Otherwise, check out reactivegraphics.co.uk.